Morning, boys and girls. We're going to be doing more multiplication today. So please make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil in front of you. And you guys got this. You're going to do great. I know you are. So we're going to be working on mathematical practice number 7, which is to really look for and make use of structure. So we have a flower garden that's 67 inches long and 43 inches wide. We want to find the area of the garden. And remember, your area is your length times your width. So I want you to take a minute and see how could you use what you know to make this problem nicer to solve. All right, so we're using what we know to solve new problems. So go ahead and pause the video. And I really want you to think about, how can I make this problem easier or nicer for me to solve? All right, welcome back. Hopefully you have that written down on your piece of paper, how you would do this. And here you go. We're going to do place value section. So hopefully many of you may have found this may be the strategy you used. Others, I'll be excited to see what other strategies you have. But for today, we're going to concentrate on these place value sections. So remember, we're multiplying 43 times 67. So I can make each of these nicer by breaking it into the tens plus 1. So 60 plus 7 would be 67, and then 40 plus 3 gives me 43. So notice the vegetable garden is this whole area, but if I can find the area of each one of these rectangles, then add them together, I'll be able to find the area of my vegetable garden. So first we're going to take 60 times 40. Okay, oops, excuse me. So I goofed there. So now we're going to do the work. So this method is called our place value sections. All right, so 60 times 40 is going to give us 2,400. Then this length is 7. This height is 40, and 40 times 7, I bet you guys can tell me, it's 280. Then we have the 60 across and 3 up and down for this section right here, and 60 times 3, what is it, everybody? You got it, 180. And then our last section will be 7 times 3, or 21. So now what we have to do is just add all 4 sections, and we'll get the area of the rectangle. So we just found partial products. So we'll add the partial products together to find the area of the vegetable garden. So notice we're going to add 2,400, 280, 180, and 21, and we get the area of the vegetable garden, which I think is so cool. When I was your age, we just learned a method, and I had no idea how I could break this down and make it easier. So I think it's so exciting that you guys have a nice way to visualize how we're actually multiplying. So the next slide will be a chance for you to show me how well you understand it, and there'll be some questions on Edpuzzle. All right, so hey, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.